near 60. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the west overnight. And now, the extended forecast. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Friday night through Saturday night, clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Highs in the lower 60s. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Sunday night, warmer. Mostly clear. A 20% chance of rain overnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a chance of rain and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain in the morning, then a chance of rain and a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 50%. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for today, sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. North winds around 5 miles an hour, shifting to the west.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.